George Price Highway in Santa Elena. Diamond Meat Shop. Hawksworth Bridge is down there. Directly across. And you can check them out too. Okay. So you have two meat shop and it's under August. Are you related to Miss Martha, the owners of that restaurant and hotel downtown San Ignacio, Martha's Kitchen? Okay. The Tree Road?
Yeah,
three.
Beaners.
Okay. Family meat shop, right? So three of them.
We're not dead, but the name still, the wife's name still.
Okay. Okay, he said there's another August meat shop, and I'm not going down that road because I'm going straight home. But it's the road right next to the Social Security. That is the meat shop, August meat shop. Second one in Santa Elena is directly across from the tortilla factory. So this is the Social Security building coming up on the left where that car turned there, right there. Just go straight down there, and where the road T's, the meat shop is off to the left at that T intersection in Santa Elena. He also stated that there's another one in San Ignacio on the Bullet Tree Road. It should be on the right. August franchise meat shop. Now not all of them is under the name August, okay? Check out that construction store right there, man. Limbs. They're real helpful.